Hi, I want to talk about factory functions today. So I thought we could make a factory function that will return an object. Once we get this object from a bunch of different data sources, like maybe some strings and arrays, other objects, numbers, we can then put them into a single object, and that could be used potentially to be inserted into a database or used as JSON data. So we're going to make a factory function that will create a bunny object. So I'm going to write down our requirements. We're going to make a factory function that takes year length, fur type, and color, which will be an array, and returns an object. Okay, so first start by stepping out our function. We'll say function make bunny. Okay, and then we want to return, and right now we're just going to return an empty object. So this is our initial setup. So now let's look at those arguments. The first one is ear length. So I'll say ear length. The second one is fur type. And the third one is color. Okay, so in here, I could very easily just use the same words I used for the argument as the key, but I kind of want to make sure that you understand where the argument values are being passed in. So I'm going to say ear equals ear length. Fur is fur type. And color, I'm just going to say color. Okay, so there's that setup. So let's make some dummy data. I'm going to invoke the function, so make bunny, and then I will pass in some values. So ear length will just be a number, so I'll say 12. Per type, I'm going to make a string, so I'm going to say long, and then the color is an array of strings, so I'll say white, comma, lavender, comma, fuchsia. Oops, forgot my. Okay, so when this function is invoked, it will pass this 12 to ear length, long to fur type, and this array to color. And those will get mapped out here, and it'll just spit out an object. So let's give this a whirl. And then there you go. Here's our complete object with ear, fur, and color. All right, thanks for watching.